Hello all, myself Soumya KS, working as an assistant professor in GFGC Bharamsagara. In this video, we shall discuss about e-retailing, which is one of the emerging trends in retail management. In the previous video, we discussed about retail branding and various strategies followed by the retailer with respect to carrying their own retail brand. The electronic retailing is also called as e-tailing or internet retailing. It is the process of selling the goods and services through electronic media, particularly the internet for personal or household use by consumers. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್ನ ನಾವು ಇ ಟೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಥ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. The sale of retail goods and services online is called as electronic retailing. In simple ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ sale of goods and services through online is electronic media is called as e-retailing or electronic retailing. E-tailing is synonymous with business to consumer transactions. Let's see various types of e-retailers. First is pure play e-retailers such as Amazon, Flipkart that emerged as the online retailer. It is present only online and do not have any physical outlet. ಬೇರೆ physical outlet, physical retail store ಇಲ್ಲದೆ only online ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತ retailers ನ ನಾವು pure play e-retailers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Then the second one is brick and click e-retailers such as Samsung and even Apple, some other mobile companies and few other retailers that sells mobiles through the internet as well as has the physical store. Physical store and online sale ಎರಡೂ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥವರಿಗೆ brick and click e-retailers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Let's see various advantages of this e-retailing. First, no real estate cost in the sense leasing or purchasing the land or building a cost irodilla. Then easy and comfortable 24/7 one can work. Then web search capabilities ಬೇಕಾ different options na easy ಆಗಿ search ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then user friendly, customer can search, customer can shop at any place and at any time. And then effective price discrimination. Price discrimination is also possible for the customer. Then customized product placement where the customer want this product for that place only they can sell. Then global reach, one can purchase through this e-retailing, one can purchase goods and services from anywhere in the world. Let's see various disadvantages of this e-retailing. First and foremost disadvantage is security issues. It may be with respect to the payment, making payments online, credit card, debit card, security issues. And the second one is customer retention. It's very difficult to retain customer because there is a lack of personal contact with the customer. Then it is unsuitable for certain product categories where customer want to purchase by checking its quality or if the product is highly costlier one, then shopping is still a touch feel hear experience. Even though even online through online sites and all we can shop, but still shopping we feel happy, customer feel happy with the actual shopping or physical shopping. Then complicated medium for few, for uneducated and all, searching through online and placing orders, all these things are complicated one. And navigation hiccups, sometimes due to network error and all it creates problem to the customer. And website design flaws, in case of any flaws in website design it creates problem for shopping, choosing products and even in placing order and payments. and limited access to the internet. In India, it's the main problem. There is a limited access to the internet, then this placing of online orders and all will be very difficult. Then lack of customer interaction. As there is no direct interaction between the seller and the customer, this is placed as a major disadvantage in e-retailing. Let's see e-retail marketing mix. E-retail mix includes convenience, cost and speed of delivery. It contains only these three elements. Convenience means here customer can purchase goods at any time and at anywhere, and cost is very less to the retailer, and retailer can deliver the products at less time. In summary, it can be said that the electronic retailing is also called as e-tailing or internet retailing, and it is the process of selling goods and services through electronic media. There are two types of e-tailers. They are pure play e-retailers and brick and click e-retailers. And e-retailing provides various advantages to the customer as well as retailer too, and it has few disadvantages. For further reference, you can refer these textbooks and study material. Thank you.